if x squared y plus y squared plus 4 equals 0, then when x equals 2, the value of dy dx is. So we're going to have to use implicit differentiation and ddx both sides. So ddx of x squared y plus y squared plus 4 equals 0. So this involves power rule. So u is x squared, v is y. U prime means taking the derivative with respect to x of x squared, which is 2x. The derivative of y with respect to x is 1 dy dx. Now that's v prime, okay? Product rule is u prime v, so x squared dy dx. Oh, I have that backwards. Actually, it wouldn't make much of a difference, but if I'm going to be consistent, I want to be consistent. U prime v is 2xy plus v prime u, which is dy dx x squared. That was just this part, by the way. I still have to add the fact that the derivative of y squared with respect to x is 2y, so 2y dy dx. The derivative of 4 is nothing, and the derivative of 0, which I forgot to write out, is also nothing. So let's subtract 2xy, and that gets me dy dx x squared plus 2y dy dx equals negative 2xy. Now let's factor out a dy dx, like that. That leaves me with x squared plus 2y equals negative 2xy. Divide both sides by x squared plus 2y. Divide both sides by x squared plus 2y. And dy dx will equal negative 2xy over x squared plus 2y. Now I have to plug in x equals 2. Oh, poop! I don't know what y is. Oh, but you know what I can do? In order to find y, I could just plug 2 into every x here and solve for y. All right, so instead of x squared, I have 2 squared y plus y squared plus 4 equals 0. So 4y plus y squared plus 4 equals 0. Let me rewrite that out. Y squared plus 4y plus 4 equals 0. Factor that out. Y plus 2 squared equals 0. According to the zero product property, y is going to equal negative 2. So my x is regular 2. My y is negative 2. Now we can plug stuff in. Negative 2 times x, which is 2, times y, which is negative 2, all over x squared, which is going to be 2 squared, plus 2 times negative 2. Wait a minute. You're negative 8. You're going to be 4 minus 4. Oh, actually, you're positive 8. Not that it matters, because that's undefined. My answer doesn't exist. All that.